My name is Lacroy Nixon. On stage, as a poet, I go by Atlas. With Slam Connection, I am the founder and director. We teach really a variety of things centering around poetry, writing, and performance. Poetry Slam, it's a competition for spoken word poetry. To break it down even further, spoken word poetry is poetry that's meant to be spoken out. It's meant to be performed. So when you go into a poetry slam, there's typically a panel of 5 judges, you have a crowd of people, and you have poets that have about at least 3 poems, 3 to 4 poems. Typically a poetry slam is 3 to 4 rounds, and they're elimination, so you have to do well to advance to the next round until you get to the final stage. As somebody that's been writing and performing for about 8 years now, I've watched poetry change people's lives. The amount of people that have come up and said, you know, you inspired me to start writing some time ago, and now I'm getting on stage and I'm talking about things I never thought I'd talk about in public. You know, in addition, with the world as nuanced as it is, there's always something new to talk about. There's always something new to break down. Poetry, and specifically spoken word and slam, provide platforms for people to learn more about something from somebody else's perspective. So it's very beneficial, and plus it requires a level of just general self-awareness that's just developed over time.